Kirirunar kibomla bantip hakiski balang jong katayo kila Wiangding ya ki artli ki kali ki balapen yang hakadong kadiang nongmen song bat akapalau jong ka NF Railway Officer Rest House halaban bat ki pulit gidang twet ya ki runar ki badon kti hakane ka kamsniu.
Hagastap jong kakar artri uleber arajar pusan artli ki kali ki lesha Wiangding hagi brio ki bompat laban itu. Yang ini lepentip do superintendent ki pulit city ke East Khasi Hills udara Aswaghosh. Kini ki artli ki kali ke belasha Wiangding ki kentup ke kali jong katnat Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation kabar new registration number ML not san AB UBR kan not kabla pening hasurok ha dong kadiang nomon song. Kalba kawai pat kali ke dei kabar new registration number ML not san ke nyo san sau khandai kabla pening aplau ka NF Railway Officer Rest House halapan. Habai keren megala patai kubor USPCT uletho bakladon ke Jingshsh Wiangding ki artli ki kali ganong ba Shillong. Banda kaliang katrat pulet kalbatha ban Pynkhlain ki bor Pahara kaleng ki jaka ke Sorkar ha Shillong. Bante lakam me kanong jingja bam shong sok shong san.
Yes, there are two incidents reported, one from Namingsang and one from this Jingshsh area. There is arson of vehicles, so immediately our teams rushed in and we have taken preliminary steps there at the place of occurrence. Regarding the preventive measures, all the field units have been alerted and we are trying to intensify the mobile and foot patrolling in the all the areas in our jurisdiction. And we had a meeting with all the stakeholders also, all the OC sites also, to intensify the preventive measures.